So guys, welcome to my channel. Let's get to the top of Troll Tower 2. Let's go. Let's pass this first and not fall. And let's fall in. Let's go here guys. And let's go. If they treat me, I'm just gonna not gonna matter to me. Heck, I just fell. Ah, I just fell. Ah, there's a head admin here. What admin? There's an admin here, guys. There's an admin, a real admin here. So I don't know who's the admin, but let's see. Here is, I think it was a noob. It was a noob head admin. And let's go rich here. Nah, bro. No, 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 no. I'm gonna reach the top. And oh my god. Let's go. And let's play. I'm just gonna do this. No, 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 no. Am I down, guys? Am I actually down? Now, let's go to the full waiting list. Let's go on the top. Let's see if I reach the end. If I retreat videos over. Let's go. So we're going up here. So let's go here. Let's bust that. Hi. Oh my god. So such a rush. Such a rush. Let's go. Let's go here. Together. Okay. Good. Let's go here on top of this. Oh my god. Nah. Okay. Let's just wall hop. How is this? Let's go here. And let's. This is my rival right there. That is my rival. So, join plus ako. So we are gonna go here. And I just fell. Not water nice. Let's go to top. Here, jump. I think we're gonna build up here. Heck, no, bro. Nah, I'm not letting this happen. I'm not letting this happen. Bro, not if I reach it, the video's over. So let's get it on. Go, go, go. Let's play. We're gonna laugh because there's some. Who the heck just freezing? Oh, let's see the unfreeze me. Is it with Lord? Let's see. Bro. On let's just respond. If I just freeze, bro. Ah, here we go. Uh, Nah, I'm just teleporting. I'm just gonna see y'all and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.